Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to remove pimple, acne from face in Photoshop. With two different method in 2 minutes. Download 12 free Photoshop LUTs from the link in description. Let's start. Select Spot Healing Brush tool. Adjust the brush size according to the size of acne pimple, using bracket open and bracket close. And then click in the acne. Then click in the area of that acne to make it smooth and natural. Congratulations! You have done with method 1. Now from second method. Select Clone Stamp tool. Then adjust the hardness of brush that fits for your photo. Position the cursor over the area you want to take reference, and then Alt-click for Windows, or Option-click for Mac. Position the cursor over the area where you want to paint the reference pixels and then start painting with click. Repeat it until you found it perfect. Congratulations! You have done it. Please subscribe my channel for more. Don't forget to like and share.